Oh no! Broken! This is not sitting good. Mercedes. The whole front is completely loose. This one is tight. Good. But this one is broken. We have a special repair kit. Here it's broken. We can see it now. Completely loose. Very hard to unplug. Now you go out. Good. The whole unit. Original parts. Now let's repair. This is the repair kit. We have to cut all the old stuff away. Good. Easy job. Oh, the excess plastic. Now it will fit. Good. Sitting good. Now, 2 screws. 2 bolts get in here. Perfect original solution. 6 very tight. Perfect. Plug it in. Now it sits tight, as you see. Very good. Now fitting well. Nothing is moving anymore. Perfect. Perfect. Repair. Happy customer. What a beautiful car.